form of the production function, which we wrote last time as Q equals F of K and L, really more generally can be written as Q equals A times F of K and L, where A is aggregate productivity. Okay, really, if we think, let's think of this as big Q. If we think about the big Q for society, now let's think of aggregate quantity for society, or else we want to talk about specific firm. But if we think about aggregate quantity produced in society, it's a function of the aggregate capital and labor in society, but also a function of productivity. Okay, it's also a function of the fact that we use our inputs more effectively over time. So while K, if it's defined as land, may be fixed, and L, therefore there's diminishing marginal product of a given production function, the production function itself is improving over time, okay, because of productivity improvements. Okay, productivity, the arability of land, disease-resistant seeds, and other things are making that given quantity of land more productive over time. So effectively, in the long run, if A goes up faster than the marginal product of labor diminishes, then overall quantity can increase, even though K, the underlying level of land, is fixed.